see, this was a sudden snowstorm just overnight, and yeah, all the birdie num num is hidden now. Yeah, so the kids, this is after one storm overnight. Wow, look at this. Electric wires even. I challenge any artist to be more creative than nature. I'm gonna send some of these pictures to one of my friends. He's an artist. You'll love to. Sure, you'll have a very good time with it. And this is only yesterday. I was having a fire. Nice warm, nice sunshine. What happened? What happened? I'm not sure. I think it's Canada's weather. That's what happened. Yeah, I was enjoying having nice coffee in the morning. As you can see where I sit, there's almost like 10 centimeters of snow. Yeah, if you want a sun tan, it's not gonna work either. But it's just amazing. Look how beautiful this thing is. Yeah, I'm glad that I lifted high.